Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokche Design. In this video, you're going to learn how to create a double exposure effect in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start by duplicating your background layer. Next, click on the Quick Selection tool from the left menu and then hit Select Subject. Use the plus/minus brushes to clean up the selection and then click on the Add Layer Mask button. Now I'm going to use the crop tool to crop the image and make it smaller. Click on the tick button to commit your changes. For the background, click on the Create New Fill button and choose Solid Color. I'm going to use the color picker to pick a local color to fill the background. Now it's time to bring in our landscape image. Right-click and convert to Smart Object so we can modify it non-destructively. Next, hold the Alt or Option key and drag the layer mask thumbnail from the models layer to the landscape layer. Click on the little link icon to unlink the landscape from its mask. This will allow us to transform and resize our landscape image. You can also lower the density of the layer mask to see what the mask is hiding. Now you can transform and resize your landscape background image to your liking. Once done, you can bring the density of the layer mask back to 100%. With the layer mask selected, click on the brush tool and make sure the foreground color is set to black. Remember, black hides and white shows. With the flow set to 5%, start painting over the image to reveal the underlying models layer. I'm also going to use the color picker to change the background color to the color of the sky. This will make our foreground image blend in better. Feel free to flip between the black and white foreground colors depending on whether you like to hide or show the current layer. When you're painting over the contours of the head, feel free to increase the flow percentage and also increase the hardness of the brush. Next, I'm going to add a black and white adjustment layer to our model's image so we can desaturate it. Make sure to hit the clip button so only our model's layer gets affected. To bring the whole image together, add a color lookup adjustment layer and choose one of the lookup table profiles. I'm going to go back to my landscapes layer mask and use the brush tool to do some final cleanup. Now we can look at the before and after images. Looks good to me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.